Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing in and opening a chart. This gets you into the workspace fast. Once done, type the ticker and pick a time frame, 1 minute to 1 day, so you focus on the right horizon. Make sure to enable crosshair and grid for precise reads and save your layout immediately to avoid losing settings. These steps let you see price structure now, and they establish the foundation for indicators, drawing, and alerts you'll add next. Now you add indicators and drawings so your decisions are systematic. Start with a 20 and 50 moving average plus RSI to gauge momentum and turn on volume to confirm moves. These choices help you filter noise. Then draw key support and resistance lines, connect swing highs and lows, and use Fibonacci where structure supports it. Once your template feels right, save it as a chart template and lock panes to keep layout intact. Finally, you turn analysis into action by setting precise alerts and validating them with paper trading before risking money. Use alerts for price touch, indicator crossover, or custom pine conditions. This frees you from constant monitoring. Connect a broker if you plan to trade live and check the trading panel to place and track orders. If things go wrong, charts lag or indicators freeze, clear the browser cache, disable heavy indicators, or try another device. That usually fixes performance issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.